Almost a month ago, I started a KungFu game, so I'm getting close to the end of this month and still planning to release it, but there has been a few things that just happened this week. Let me share some of the progress since last week after the intro.
Welcome back! If you are new to the channel, I make games, and you can download many of my games from the link in the description below.
I spend time drawing, as you can see, and on average I noticed that it takes a lot of time to draw all the sprites for a new character. Given that I'm not able to work full time on this game, that is quite a large time investment. So I was able to draw 2 new characters, but still need to implement all the attack patterns. Then I added the ability to jump and kick or punch mid-air. That can help you get out of difficult situations, and the more actions I keep adding, the more difficult it is to make them work together with already existing actions. Anyway, you can see a fight now against 3 enemies, and it didn't go so well for me. I got killed many times. The enemies are too aggressive, and when fighting just one alone is quite easy. Another thing that I implemented is the time rewind limit, so you can only go back in time for a limited time period. Once you use it all, you cannot rewind time anymore. So as a reward, I want to add some bonus time for each enemy defeat, or some kind of reward system. One thing that really makes the game hard is stamina. So I need to balance how much you get over time and how much you and your enemies will lose. So balancing the game is in my list next week. Then I spent a few days trying to fix and add a level editor. If you have seen my previous videos, I created a level editor for one of my games, and I was planning to add it into this game, but ran into several problems that I didn't foresee before, and still it requires a lot of time to fix those. So I'm thinking to just keep a simple level for now. If I try to add the editor, it will take me at least a week or more of work, so it is not feasible given the time that I have left. And finally, also added, as you saw before, dizzy animations. When being hit very fast and with a lot of damage, the character will be dizzy for a few seconds. There are quite many things visible as debug now, like the action that the character is taking. I will change some of that with some icons, so the player can see for some actions the impact. For example, some characters have high blocking values, so those will block pretty much any frontal damage, but may be weak in some other parts. Hopefully I can finish at least a few more characters and finish at least one level. Quite many changes for 1 week of work. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to support my work, please click like and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you do not miss my next update. Thank you so much for watching my journey. See you next week.